Hello. Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Welcome again to our science. So we have two science. Okay, we have two science every Tuesday, right? We have two science every Tuesday. Okay, so welcome again. So we have here Marine, Thea, Papa, Boa, Oi, M. Okay, so hello, welcome again to our science. Are you ready for our science? Are you ready for our science?
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah, boom. Okay, hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Okay, you are very awake now. So now let's continue. Okay, I prepared this one for you. Okay. So you are very familiar now with my lovely house. You're very familiar now with your house, the parts of your house. Okay, this is now a review. Okay, this is now a review. So you need to know how to answer this one already. Okay. Okay, look at here. So in our house, look at here. In our house, we have, can you read this one? My lovely house. Can you read this one? All of you, my lovely house. This one, my lovely house. Okay, read this one, Marine. Marine, Papa. My Boa. Okay. Can you read this one? No, this is a review.
Living room.
Okay. My lovely house. My lovely house. Okay. We have here. This one is. This one is. What is this? Can you read it? Look at here. All of you. All of you. Look at here.
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Very good. And how about this one? This one. Study room. This one is study room. Cool. Okay, we've got the last question. Okay. You need to know how to answer. Look at here. And how about this one? What is this? Can you read this one for me? My Boa? Papa? Boy? This one is walls. This one is walls. Look at this one. This one is kitchen. Okay, this one is kitchen. This one is living room. And this one is? This one is? What is this? Toilet. Okay, everybody, let's hear. Okay, what is that? Toilet. And this one is? Floor. Very good. And this one is? Look at here. What is this? Bedroom. Okay, so you have to remember that one because we have a lot of questions here. Okay, what part of the house is it? Okay, look at here. What part of the house is it? This one. Answer. This one. Is it a bathroom?
Study room.
Study room. Where is the study room here? Is this the one?
No. Me tell.
This one is the
ดูนี่ดู
study room. I know this one is roof. This one is the arrow is here.
Good.
This one is
Root.
roof. Okay, the roof here is where? Is this the one? Where is the roof?
No.
Kitchen, living room.
F.
Yes, this is the roof. Very good. This is the roof. Okay, this is the roof. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, what part of the house is it? This one. Look at here. What part of the house is it? This one.
What
What part of the house is it? Look at here. Mary, Papa, look at here. Answer here. Answer here, so I will give you a star. What part of the house is this? Is it bathroom, bedroom, chimney, or
ทางโค้งบันได
hall?
ลงมาดิ
What is this? Yes, this one is a hall. Very good. Hall. Okay, now let's go to the next. You have to answer here, okay? Okay, what part of the house is that?
Living room.
Yes, very good. Where is the living room here?
No.
Bathroom, chimney, door, hall, kitchen. Is this the one? Huh? Is this the one?
Yeah.
One living room. Yes, very good. You are very good. Now, look at here. Okay. Let's go to the next question. What part of the house is it?
Bedroom.
Huh?
Bedroom.
Yes, very good, Mary. Very good. Bathroom. Okay, this one is bathroom. Very good. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to the next question.
เปิดไม่ได้ใบบัว
Okay, what part of the house is this? Is this one? What part of the house is this? You have to answer here. What part of the house is it? This one? It's a,
มามีไว้ในนี้ไม่มีใช่ไหม
what is this? This one.
ใช่
What is this? Marine, Papa, Boy. What is this?
อะไรตรงไหนที่
Study room.
Study room. So where is the study room here? Is this the one?
ไม่บอล
Where
ลู
is
ก
the
ไม่
study room here?
ไปแล้วดูกัน
Can you tell
No.
Kitchen. This one is living room, right? Can you read this one? This one is room. And this
Yes.
one is the
Yes.
okay. This one is the study room. Okay. Study room. Now let's go to the next question.
มันจะตรงไหมน่ะ
Okay, look at this one. What part of the house is that?
อันนี้เหรอ
Look at here. Okay, what part of the house is that? One. Okay, look at here. Is it bathroom? Bedroom? Is it chimney? What part of the house is this?
ตาดีใช่ไหม
Huh? Mary? Papa? Hey, Boa?
ตัวไหนอันไหน
Wash.
หาคืออะไร
Eat.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know this one? Okay, this one is a
Toilet.
toilet. Very good, Mary. Toilet. Okay, yes. This one is a toilet. Okay, toilet. Okay, you are very good. And now let's go to this one. What part of the house is it? What part of the house is that? This one. Marine. This one is a. This one is a. We call this one as chimney. Okay, this one. We call this as chimney. Okay. And then let's go to the next. Okay, how about this one?
I'm sorry, 7.
I can't believe the answer. Okay, what part of the house is that? Kitchen. Okay, where is the kitchen here? Kitchen. Very good.
Oi.
L-T-C-H-E-N.
Kitchen. Very good, Marie. Yes, this one is a kitchen. Okay, very good. All of you have to answer here, okay? Open your mouth. Answer here. Okay, very good, Marie. This one is a kitchen. Now let's go to the next question here. Okay, this one. What part of the...
Bedroom.
Yes, bedroom. Okay, what is here?
Ruaที่เขียนให้ปีหน่อยได้ไหม
Yes, very good.
เด็กโง่มันก็โง่
M, bedroom. Yes, very good. Yes, this one is bedroom. Very good. Very good, Marine. Point. Very good.
B-E-D-R-O-O-M.
Yes. This one is bedroom. You are very good. Or you are so smart. Now let's go to this one. Okay, how about this one?
เอาคิวอาร์โค้ดมาเลยอ่ะ
This one.
Sorry.
You know what is that? Okay, Marine. By Boa, Papa.
ไปบัวเธอ
Look
ถาม
at
อะไร
this. Boy. What is this? You know what is this?
Bedroom.
Huh? This one.
Bedroom.
Have you seen the arrow? This one. The arrow is pointing here.
Bedroom.
The arrow is pointing the
Bedroom.
floor. The arrow is pointing the floor. Have you seen the arrow? The floor.
ก็เอาไปพันกับ
Okay. Can you spell it?
O-O-R.
F-O-O-R. Floor. Very good. Oi, can you spell the floor?
ไปแม่เอาเนี่ยเขียนมา
Oi.
Floor.
ตัวอะไร
F
อันไหนพี่ชื่อเขาดูอันไหนแล้ว
O O R F double O R. Okay, that's it. Floor. By Boa.
Is root.
Floor. Floor, Marine. Floor. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Okay. What part of the house is it? Look at this one.
Kitchen.
So have you seen this one? Have you seen the arrow? Okay. The arrow is pointing this one. Huh?
And chicken.
This one. The arrow is pointing this one. What is this? We call this one as
Chicken.
not in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. And then the arrow is pointing this
อันไหนเสา
one. And then, okay? That is what we call as walls. Okay, walls. This one. We call this one as walls. This is the walls of the
เขียน
house.
ภาษาอังกฤษ
Okay?
ไว้
This one will help your house become strong. Okay, by the help of the walls. The whole walls of your
บันไดใช่ไหม
house. Okay? You understand? So you are very familiar already with the parts of the house?
บันไดใช่ไหม
You're very familiar already with the parts of the house? Huh? You're very familiar already with the parts of your
ต่อบันได
house? Okay, so again, look at here. You can answer this one up. This is a review. You need to know already the parts of your house. Okay, I will not tell you now, and you have to answer. Okay. Okay, now I will not tell you, and you have to answer. You have to look at this one first. Okay, you have to look at this one first. Okay, I love this house. You have to memorize this one. Okay, you have to memorize this one. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to memorize this one. I want you to memorize the parts of your house, okay? You have to,
ดี
okay? You can draw this one. You know how to draw this one?
No.
Huh?
ไม่ว่ารูปใช่ไหมคะ
You know how to draw this one?
เราก็เติมเสาแล้วเราก็เขียนที่สวยๆอ่ะมีหลายๆห้องอ่ะ
วาดรูป
You can draw this one.
วาดรูปค่ะ
เย้
แต่ละห้องตามนี้อะค่ะแล้วเรา
Okay,
เก็บ
can
ซ้ำลงไป
you
แบบนี้ค่ะ
draw this one?
โอเคteacher I
Okay.
try
You can. This is very easy, okay?
ห้องให้ทำอะไร
Okay, you have to write here my love
ไม่
house.
ได้เห็นขนาดนี้เลย ห้องอะช่องอะไรมันอยู่แค่เนี้ยเองตีทั้งหมดเลย
ทำทุก
Okay?
ห้องเลยใช่ไหม
ใช่หมดเลย
Is it very easy?
ถ่ายแล้ว
Okay, you just have to draw the roof like that.
โอเค teacher โอเคโอเค
You can draw this one.
แล้วช่องมือ
โอ้ยโอ้ย
Okay, can you take a picture of this one and draw this one?
ถ่ายแล้วอย่างเนี้ยทำไมเป็นคนไวอย่างนี้
teacher
Yes.
โอ้ย
โอเค teacher โอเคโอเค
อะไรไม่ได้กับเขาสักอย่าง
I try teacher I try
Try very good, Marine. Okay, you can draw this one. Okay, make it nice,
Yes.
and then I will give you
I
many, many
know.
stars. Yes, take a picture. You have to put my lovely house.
ได้แล้ว
Okay, you have to put this one. My lovely
I try
Yes, you have to try. I know you can do it, Marine. All of you, K3, I know you can do
แล้ว
this.
มาขีดก่อน
Okay. Okay, you have to put here at the top
ขี
of
ด
your
เป็นหัว
house.
คาเนี่ย
My lovely house.
เป็นแบบ
Okay. And then you have to draw it. Okay, it's very easy. You just draw the square and then divide it into this one. You have to divide the
น้องออย
wall
ถ่ายรูปไปเลยลูกน้องออยน้อง
and
ออย
then do
ถ่าย
the
รูปไปเลย
square.
ไม่เหมือนกันเลย
Do the square. You have to
มา
divide
วาดตาม
to
นี้
the
เลยเขียน
bathroom.
สักตามนี้เลยลูก
Just show.
ค่ะ
And then you have to go put the toilet here.
ไปบัวด้วยไปบัวถ่ายรูปไปยัง
ถ่ายแล้วค่ะ
Yes, you have to put the living room and then the kitchen. You have to draw something in your kitchen. You have to draw something in your study room. Okay? And this is the hallway. Okay, you can do this one. Okay?
แค่
Okay. Have you taken a picture already?
ลอง
Have you taken a picture already?
เปิดดู
Make it nice, okay? Draw it, make it nice. And you have to identify, put here, you have to write here, bedroom. You have to put an arrow like that outside of your drawing. Okay, you have to put like that. Yes, we have to put bedroom. You have to study room. You have to write it. Pool. Okay, this one is walls. This one is kitchen.
I know I know
Yes, living room. You have to write toilet. You have to write floor and bathroom. You have to write here roof. Okay, if you can, after you finish, you draw this one and you write it. You cannot forget already the parts of your house. Okay, this is a very good exam. You cannot forget already because you're already writing it. You draw it already, and then it will sink in already to your mind. So you cannot forget already all and every part of your house. Okay? Have you taken a picture? Take a picture to this one so you can. Okay, take a picture. All of you take a picture first and draw this one. Okay, so tomorrow we don't have.
ไม่รู้มั้ง
Okay, you can do this one. This is very easy. Okay, you just try
Yes.
your best, and you can do it. I know you can do it. All K3 are very smart. Okay. So you finish take a picture. You finish take a picture. By Bawa, A. Bea. Okay, it's very good.
เป็น
Okay, you have to draw this one. Okay, make it nice and color it. Make it nice. So I will give you many stars for this one because this is you can make this. If you can make this one, you can be very good. Okay.
แย่แล้วรู้สึก
Okay. So for now, I want to say thank you to all of you. We
สาธุเวรกรรม
still have math in the afternoon. You have to teach your math first.
ใช่
And then after that, is our math, okay?
เขาไม่ได้นอนนานเขาไม่เดินนานแล้ว
So it's okay now. I can close this one now.
Yes.
You all finished taking a picture, right? You all finished taking a picture. And you don't forget every time
This
you draw. Yes, if after you finish, you draw and then you have to put your name and your class, okay? Put your name and class and also a date,
ออกจะ
okay?
เอาอีก
So, okay, so I want to say thank you to all of you. You are all so smart. You are answering all the questions. Okay, so you are all so smart. I am so proud and always proud of you, Q3. Okay, so Oi, I want to say thank you to Oi, Papa, who is a May, Ibola, Bea, and Mary. So much, and I'll see you in the afternoon. Okay, I want to see your heart sign first. I want to see your heart
ก่อน
sign
เอา
first
แค่นี้ก่อนดูกัน
before you take your lunch. Ibola, your heart sign.
She's
Erin.
ทำสิ
Okay, Erin, very good. Bye.
look fine.
Papa, your heart.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, bye.
นั่งเรียน
Okay.
There is one name.
Oh, your heart
Happy
sign.
birthday to you. It's
Okay.
your birthday, my darling.
Your heart
Happy
sign.
birthday, my
Okay, I love you, K3. So bye. Bye. Sign your heart. See you in the afternoon.
เป็นดูผู้ใหญ่
You have to eat healthy foods, okay? Okay, bye. Thank you.
Teacher, look,
Thank you,
how's
Fran.
this? Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.